Here's StrayCat, Cat of the Year. Not doing much today, just laying around. It's pretty cold. He's on his heated pet bed. No, he's not gonna look at me. And there's Tommy Toes. He's on his heated pet bed. There's Pumpkin. He's on his heated pet bed. And here's Deuteronomy. He walks around most of the days. Oh, over here. There's Azzy. Oh, she's sitting on top of that. She's sitting on top of that bed. Let's see if we have any cats in here. Nope, there's Grover and Aunt. Oh, I don't think you can see him. There's Grover. It's really dark. And there's Salem in here, but I don't think you can see him. It's too dark. Let me see. Can't see him. It's a black cat in a dark room. So that's their heated pet bed. And there's Grovey. Grovey likes to be on camera. See? He likes to be on camera. And there's Salem coming out of bed. I woke them up. They need their food bowl filled. But you're voting for this cat over here for Cat of the Year. StrayCat.